very vulnerable to having its funding pulled.
NASA must be destination-driven. It is the only thing that allows the agency to be productive. NASA was 100 times more productive when it was destination-driven than in the period that it has not been. And we have stagnated in NASA since 1973. 30 years, more than a generation, has been wasted. The American space program's been stagnant for 30 years. There's a once-in-a-generation shot right now to get it moving again by giving it a goal that'll take it somewhere. So the stakes today are high. And if you ask me if I am nervous right now, I am.
Dr. Zuber.
Why is NASA stuck in low Earth orbit? The problem with NASA's lack of current achievement is not money. The problem is lack of focus, it's lack of a goal. It shouldn't be humans to Mars in 50 years. It should be humans to Mars in 10. We can do this. We do not need gigantic nuclear electric spaceships to send people to Mars. That is pork, it's nonsense. The primary question I get from the American people is, why aren't we doing this? There's a big sense of disappointment, almost verging on a sense of betrayal. The purpose of spaceships is to actually travel across space and go to new worlds, not to hang out in space and observe the health effects from doing so.
Dr. Zuber, in your testimony, you were very passionate, but you also were mad. You're mad we haven't done this, or that this vision has been stolen from a generation?
I guess you could say that. It's like Columbus coming back from the New World and Ferdinand and Isabella saying, ah, so what, forget it, burn the ships. Okay, you know, that's what has happened in this country. We've won our point that there needs to be a destination. What we need, the point we need to win on now is that the destination needs to be Mars, and it needs to be soon.
The movement to send humans to Mars in the near term began at the University of Colorado in 1978. A graduate student in astrogeophysics named Chris McKay gave a small seminar on the possibility of introducing life to Mars.
I got interested in Mars in graduate school. I entered graduate school the same year that Viking landed on Mars and sent back these images, and it sent back data that showed all the